Hey y'all, it's Tony. If you want to learn how to do this everyday makeup look, stay tuned. I started the video a little late, but I have on primer and moisturizer. But here I am doing my brows. I use Anastasia Dip Brow. I've been using it forever. If you watch any of my old videos, you know I've been using it forever. And if it ain't broke, why fix it? And I just shape my eyebrows with that. Fun fact, I don't get my eyebrows threaded or waxed or anything. I kind of just clean them up with the tweezers when they need to be cleaned up, and the rest of the cleaning up I do with makeup. I like do the shape with makeup. Doing my left brow now. I will say I've been blessed with pretty good brows. The ends don't grow like I want to, but I just draw them puppies right on in. I clean them up and carve them out with MAC concealer. It's like a Studio Fix concealer. That's tried and true. I've used other stuff, but this is the one. And I use a concealer that's really close to the color of my skin. So carve them out. Then I take this dense brush and just blend it, where it looks like the same color as my skin. See? Then I take the same concealer and go under my eyes and on my lid. I use the concealer for a primer, essentially for my shadow. Blend, blend, blend. My new favorite, not new, it's old, but favorite concealer brush. So I usually use NARS Sheer Glow. I went in to get another bottle and they had changed the formula and didn't sell it no more. So that's the new NARS that I'm using. I like it, but I still haven't found my perfect color match. Here I'm about to highlight, shape tape. And I'm gonna blend it out with my good old beauty blender. Like, makeup has changed so much, like, over the years. Back in the day when my mom and them used to do makeup, it used to be just gonna put a little foundation on if you really jamming and, keep it moving. So that's a color stick by Fenty Beauty, and it's in espresso. It's dark. So I'm gonna carve out my face with that, kind of do some contouring. My camera went a little blurry, but we're gonna come back though. There we go. And I blend it out just to give it some definition. Recently I tried to put on foundation, just put on foundation and mascara, like the old school makeup, and my face looked so flat to me. Like it was no definition, no defining anything on my face. It was so flat. I was like, oh my goodness. Now I'm going in with the good old banana powder. Tried and true. Brush that off, little fluffy brush. So since I kind of use that on my eyelids, the concealer, it starts to crease, so I smooth it out before I set it. Then I'm going back in with just like a regular powder, like a face powder, to bring some color back into my face so it won't just look white. A little blush. Bring some more color. Not too much, but just enough to give it, a little something. The Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. So this is going to be a 3 shadow situation. The one that I just pointed at is going to be my transition color. So I just kind of rub that, not all over my lid, but for the most part all over my lid. It's the color, it's like a little above the crease and into the crease a little bit. And I go under my lash line with that same transition color. Then I'm gonna go on the lid with the light color. Just pat it in. Pat, pat, pat. looks that I make when I'm doing makeup. Now we're gonna go in there with the dark color, that deep chocolate color, and define the crease. So you crease and edge, crease and edge. See how just that little bit of something just made it look like it's really doing something, or I really did something, but I didn't really do much. 3 colors, boom. Now, going to the, what is that called right there? Not the waterline, that's what I keep wanting to say. Corner of your eye, the tear duct, that's what I'm looking for. That's the word I'm looking for. And highlight that part, and then take some highlighter from crayon case. Baby, unless you wear makeup, change makeup 17 times a day, you're gonna never run out of that. Then you set it. Boom, boom, boom. And that's it. See a good, clean, everyday look. Not too dramatic, not over the top. Just super clean. Thanks for watching.